Hello everyone, my name is Alex with Huntington & Ellis, and you're about to tour one of the most beautiful single-story homes in Summerlin. The owner has remodeled this home from top to bottom, 3,000 square feet of beautiful upgrades, lush landscape, and guard gated. Enjoy the tour.